If you are a student and looking to further your education abroad, and worried about fundings, don't worry. We have a great news. Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program (MTCP), a fully funded program that designed for brightest minds in education. In this video, Dr. Muhammad Ikram will explain step-by-step process of this fully funded scholarships program. Let's go to computer screen and join Dr. Muhammad Ikram for further details. Let's start.
Hello and welcome to my new scholarship episode. I am Dr. Muhammad Ikram and you're watching SRJAFRICA. SRJAFRICA is a unique platform that provides the valuable information on scholarship, research, and jobs to international students. The main objective of SRJAFRICA is to develop a sustainable future in this world. In this video, I bring a very exciting and amazing opportunity for international student, MTCP, Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program. The government of Malaysia is offering a wonderful and very attractive scholarship opportunities to international students. In this video, I will explain the fully funded scholarship of Malaysian Government MTCP, what is the eligibility criteria, what documents you have to prepare, what are the different financial benefits of the scholarship, how you can apply for this scholarship, where you have to apply for this scholarship, what is the total time for this scholarship application. I will also share some contact information in case if you want to inquire any further information. So you can send an email or contact directly to this MTCP program and get further information. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all my future videos on time. So without wasting your single minute, so let's start. The first important part of this scholarship is eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria has some different points. Number one is the age restriction. If you are more than 45 years old, then you are not eligible for this scholarship. So not more than 45 years old at the time of application is eligible for this scholarship. The second important point of this eligibility is the master degree program. I want to here clarify this is the program for the master students. This is not for undergraduate or PhD. This is only for the master applicants. If you are looking for a good fully funded master scholarship opportunity, so I believe this is a wonderful and very attractive opportunity for international students. Okay, so here is the requirement eligibility of CGPA. So minimum CGPA should be 3.5 at undergraduate degree level. So then you are eligible for this scholarship. Proof of English language proficiency. So university is also asking. So in this video, I will explain further in the section of documents required. So do you need any IELTS or TOEFL, or if you have the English proficiency certificate, is this enough to apply for this scholarship or not? Okay. Scanned copy of original proof of English language proficiency such as IELTS minimum total score 6.0 or TOEFL paper-based test with a score of 500 or internet-based test a score of 70. Okay, so here also they are asking for the scanned copy, digital copy of your English proficiency certificate. If you have IELTS, so minimum 6 band out of 10, TOEFL paper-based or computer internet-based, so both are acceptable for the scholarship application. Okay, but here is also another requirement. If you don't have these international English proficiency certificates, then if your last degree was in English, so in this case, the English proficiency certificate provided by the previous university is also enough to fulfill the requirement of this scholarship. Okay, so applicants obtaining degree with the English as a medium of instruction may also be accepted. Evidence is prerequisite. So you have to provide the evidence. Okay, so it's a very easy and simple process. So you can request your university where you have done your bachelor program, and they will provide you the English proficiency certificate if your last degree was in English. But if your last degree was not in English, then you have to go for either IELTS or TOEFL, both option internet or paper-based. The next important point is the medical certificate. Medical form I will also show in this video where you can download and you have to fill and you have to do your medical examination, and then you have to provide. This is also one of the requirement or eligibility criteria. So you are physically and mentally both are fit. So in this case, you are eligible for this. Scholar must undertake full-time study. You will have sign a declaration like your this study program is a full-time study. So it means you cannot do any job, a part-time or full-time during your scholarship tenure. Okay, so this is also one of the important eligibility criteria. Applications are only open to candidates who have received offer letter from universities in Malaysia. So I will show the list of universities. The procedure is this: you have to first to contact the university. You have to secure your admission. Normally we apply in the university. Once you get a offer letter from any university, I will show the list. Then you have to go to the platform where I will show the link. Then you have to create your account and you have to start applying for the scholarship. So, but initially you have to simply apply for admission to the university designated by this program, and I will show the list, and then you have to go to the, so when we will go to the section number 4, we'll talk about the application procedure, how you can apply. So I will explain more further. You will understand clearly about this important eligibility point. So watch my video till end. So don't skip any of the important point, and you will understand the whole procedure. It's very simple and easy. There's no big confusion or complexity in this process. Okay, these were the important points of eligibility criteria. Now let's talk about the financial benefit. That's one of the most attractive and most that's why the students are looking for a fully funded scholarship if the financial benefits are attractive. Many benefit the university is giving. So I believe this university or this program, under this program, the universities will give a very attractive package or a lot of financial benefits to international students. So that's why my personal recommendation, this is a good opportunity, and students who are looking for international program, fully funded international program. So this is a very good option. Okay, financial benefits are, first of all, the tuition fee fully exemption, fully waived off of tuition fee. The second, other allowances of 3,500 Malaysian currency, ringgit per month, which includes cost of living allowance, visa fee, travel allowance, book allowance, tools allowance, house rental allowance, placement, thesis, practical training allowance, end of study allowance, medical claim, one-off return economy class airline ticket from students' closest international airport to Malaysia and back to students' home country. So, I mean, both sides. Both sides are included. The university will provide economy class air ticket when you will go to the Malaysia first time and when you will go back home to your home country. So I believe these are the enough and attractive financial benefits. These are the, I believe, it's enough motivation for international students to avail this opportunity. So mode of payment: participant will receive allowance and other benefits as mentioned above from the scholarship division, Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia, through their individual saving account. Students are advised to open Bank Islam Malaysia Birhat account. So once you will be there, you will get the scholarship. You have to open an account, and every month Ministry of Higher Education will transfer your these benefits, I mean stipend or other benefits to your account. So okay, the third important section of this scholarship is the document you have to prepare. So I hope you are also applying in multiple universities. So more than 90% documents are similar. So some of the documents some universities asking. So I'm going to show the list of documents that you have to prepare for this scholarship. So application form, once you will go and sign up and create an account and sign in. So there will be application form there, copy of passport, a certified copy of academic transcript, record all courses taken throughout the degree program must reflect in your academic transcript. Same, I think there is no problem because all the courses always mentioned in your transcript. Applicants must submit transcript their undergraduate study, means it's almost the same requirement, not big difference. Applicant must submit official document issued by the applicant, alma mater describing the university grade system. If an applicant transcript does not include information of CGPA, if your transcript doesn't provide any information of CGPA, then you have to ask the university. That is called alma mater. There, where the university have to provide some information that they can convert to the CGPA system. Okay, a certified copy of the English language proficiency test, TOEFL or IELTS. So this is a not obligation. This is just an optional. But if you have the English proficiency certificate by your previous university, so I believe this is also enough to fulfill the requirement of the scholarship. Two letter of recommendation. You have to ask your previous professor to give you a recommendation letter and ask them to sign it. So I'm going to show there is a specific template by this university. Okay, this is the template of recommendation letter provided by this university, this program, Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program Scholarship. So you have to use this template and ask any of the two professors from your previous university where you have done your bachelor program, and ask them to fill this form and give their recommendation, and also put their signature or stamp. And then you have to submit this recommendation at the time of when you will start applying for this scholarship. Okay, so two recommendation letters you need for this scholarship. The next is the endorsement form. Endorsement is acceptance letter. You have to contact any of the professor from the universities. I will show in this video the list of universities you have to contact and ask them to give you the endorsement form. So this is not a obligatory document. This is just optional, but my special recommendation is this. My personal recommendation is this. You have to arrange this document. Try your best to get it, because it will enhance your chances to win this scholarship. Okay, admission offer letter from the Malaysian university if applicable. So I will show the list of universities. You have to just simply apply for a normal admission and get the offer letter, and then you can go for this scholarship. Otherwise, you cannot go. So I will show where you have to go for it, and where you have to create an account and other important information. Okay, CV you need, and then medical examination form. Also, I'm going to show, okay, this is the Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program Scholarship Medical Report. You have to use this template. You have to provide the information. You have to visit any physician or doctor nearby where you are living, and request him or her to check these important required test, and to fill this information, and then ask him or her the name of physician, address of the clinic, and ask him or her to put a seal, a stamp, and also provide the signature. And you have to also provide this document at the time when you apply for this scholarship. Okay. So the next important section of this scholarship is the application process. So before showing where you have to apply, I'm going to show the list of different universities and the list of program. So first talk about the list of program. This university is offering to international students science and technology, engineering, not including nursing, medicine, clinical pharmacy, economics, finance, management and banking, social sciences and humanities, information and communication technology, international relation and political science, agriculture and aquaculture, and education. So these are the different programs the university is offering to international students for master program. And I'm going to show the list of universities. So here is the list of university. First, you have to contact this university. You have to simply apply for a normal scholar admission. Once you will get the offer letter from this university, then you have to go to another platform. I'm going to show where you have to apply for the scholarship, and you have to fill the form and upload all the documents and other necessary information you have to fill out, and then you have to submit your application. Okay, so all the links are available in the description. Okay, so this is the Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia. So first of all, you have to give the information because the master, okay, because this is the only master related program. Passport number, password, confirm password, your email address, date of birth, and your nationality. So this platform will only work once you will get an offer letter from the universities that I showed. Okay, so these are the universities. You have to first apply to these universities a normal admission. So once your information will be in the system, so automatically once you will be apply for this scholarship on these universities, then you have to simple register an account. Once you will put the passport number, so it will accept because your data will be already in the system, in the university system. These are the they are synchronizing the applicant data with each other. Okay, so you will register this and then you can go inside and start applying for this scholarship. Otherwise, if you will not get any offer letter from the universities that I showed, you cannot apply for this scholarship. So this is one of the mandatory requirement of this scholarship. Now the next important section is application timeline. The last day to apply for this scholarship for Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program MTCP scholarship 2023 and 2024 for international students is June 30, 2023. So you have almost more than a month. So quickly you should apply for the normal admission first for these among these universities. And once you will get an offer letter, then you have to go to uh, that platform where I showed where you have to register your account and then you can apply for this scholarship. In case if you will any further information you want to inquire, so you can simply contact this MTCP secretariat. Okay, so here is the email address mtcp@kln.gov.my, and you can also send emails. They are also saying the CC International MOHE at the .gov.my and CC MTCP, the same email address I showed. So you can inquire any further information. So if you don't understand any of the points, so please leave a comment. I would like to answer your queries on time. So this was all about the process. I believe it's not very difficult. It's a simple, straightforward process, but there are two important things you have to really focus on. You have to simply first apply to university, normal admission. Once you get the offer letter, then you have to go to the platform of MTCP and you have to register your account and apply for this scholarship. Best of luck, and you have more than a month. I believe it's enough time to apply for this scholarship. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all my future videos on time. See you in the next video with a more valuable information of scholarship, research, and jobs. Take care. Have a good day.